Are you trying to log into your router's Wi-Fi repeater, NVR, or modem settings? You type in 192.168.101.1 and nothing happens. A connection timeout, an error, or just a blank page. It's frustrating, but don't worry. This is a super common issue. And in this video, we're going to run through the top reasons and fixes to get you back into your router's admin panel. Let's get started. Step 1. Are you on the right network? Let's check it. This is the most common mistake. To access your router's NVR or modem settings, your computer or phone must be connected to that router's network. You cannot do this from a different internet connection. Quickly check your Wi-Fi icon. Are you connected to your home Wi-Fi, or are you accidentally connected to a neighbor's network, a mobile hotspot, or even a VPN? If it's not your network, connect to it now and try again. Step 2. Are you using the correct IP address? What if your router doesn't use 192.168.101.1? It might use a different address. Let's find out for sure. On a Windows PC, open the command prompt using Windows key plus R button and type CMD and press Enter key. Now on command prompt type ipconfig and press Enter key. Look for the default gateway address. That default gateway number is your router's actual IP address. It might be 192.168.0.1, 192.168.1.1, or something similar. Type that address into your browser to access router settings. Step 3. Check the cable and physical connection. If you're using a wired connection, make sure the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into one of the LAN ports on the router, usually yellow, not the WIN internet port, usually blue or gray. Step 4. Try a different device or browser. If you're still stuck, let's rule out a problem with your device. Try accessing the router's IP address from a different device, like your phone or another laptop. Also, try using a different web browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Sometimes a browser extension or cache can cause issues. Try using HTTP without HTTPS. Step 5. Check PC or laptop IP manual configurations. Go to Network Settings and check Ethernet adapter or wireless adapter network settings. If any manual IP address configured, change it to obtain IP address automatically and try accessing router settings again. Step 6. Trying to access NVR, network switch, or access point. If you're trying to access network device that does not support DHCP server or by default disable, then you need manual IP configuration. Search network settings or go to network and internet settings. Then change adapter options. Right-click your network connection and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Select Use the following IP address. Now suppose your device login IP address 192.168.101.1, then use 192.168.101.10 or any IP address between 2 to 253. And save settings and try accessing your device again. Step 7. Disable firewall and VPN. Sometimes, security software on your computer can block access to local network devices like your router. As a troubleshooting step only, try temporarily disabling your firewall and, most importantly, any VPN software. Disable or pause VPN for some time to troubleshoot issue. Step 7. Check Ethernet cable. Check your Ethernet cable in working condition. Use Cable Tester to confirm if there is no damage in LAN cable. That's it. If this video helped you finally get access your router, repeater, modem, or NVR settings, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching.